Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to trade on Thinkorswim. We'll start by navigating to the Trade tab, which is your central hub for all trading activities. On the right-hand side, you'll find the order entry tools, ready for your instructions. Simply type in the ticker symbol of the stock, option, or future you're interested in, and the platform will populate the relevant information. This straightforward approach makes initiating a trade quite simple for everyone. Once you've entered your ticker, it's time to place your order. You'll choose an order type, like a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Then, input the exact quantity of shares or contracts you wish to buy or sell. Before hitting Confirm and Send, take a moment to double-check all the details. This ensures your trade aligns perfectly with your strategy and avoids any unintended actions. Thinkorswim offers various order types to suit different strategies. A market order is great for quick execution, buying or selling at the current best price. Limit orders give you more control, letting you set a maximum buy price or a minimum sell price. For risk management, stop orders are invaluable. They become market orders once a specific price is hit, helping to protect your capital. Understanding these options is key to effective trading. After placing a trade, you'll want to monitor its progress. The Monitor tab provides real-time updates on your open positions, showing profit and loss. If market conditions change, you can easily modify existing orders to adjust your price or quantity. When it's time to exit, simply place an opposing order to close your position. This could be selling shares you bought or buying back contracts you sold. Active management is crucial for successful trading.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.